So hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. Today we have a lot of news. We don't want to waste your time, so we are directly starting with the news, right? So this is the first news that we have, which is coming from some luxury brand, right? You can see here, hackers steal million of data actually. So there's a famous brand which is Gucci, Balenciaga, Alexander, MCQN. So they have been hacked right now. Okay, this is what you can see on this entire news. So there's a millions of customer data and details like email, name, purchase details has been stolen by that specific cyber attack. So which means if there is a big brand, they are also not secure with the hacking things, right? So I always recommend you to secure servers and everything, make sure while storing anything, right? So let's see if there is any update. Next will be coming from all those things, right? By the way, these ones is good, right? Anyways, next news is from news which was already recently came into the light. So Jaguar and Land Rover system has been attacked by the attackers. They have said yes, we admire, yes, that's true. Some customer information and internal files have been exposed as well, and the company is actually fixing security problems where the damage was caused. It was by pen testing. Okay, someone is just finding loopholes and just fixing the things so that it will not get attacked. But do you know, like that a specific domain where someone is finding loophole, they are getting a lot of money, right? If you are able to find out loophole and report to the company, you'll get a lot of money. So how to learn that part? You can check out this URL vihgroup.com/tci and you'll learn how skills, right? You can see here what are things you can learn, right? So this is very much important if you want to get some sort of skills. And let's see, if you want to join, we'll meet in the batch, right? Now the next news is basically related to Samsung. So Samsung actually fixes Android security flaw. So there was a serious vulnerability which was being used by the attackers, right? So Samsung has fixed into their devices. And guys, actually Samsung, they have released very quick update, okay, which I really appreciate the thing, right? And if you are using Samsung devices, then please update your system as soon as possible, because you don't know what actual compromise means, right? If your data is being shared somewhere on the internet, if your personal photo is being spread somewhere, then what do you think? What will going to happen? So update your system as soon as possible, you will be in benefit, right? Now the next news is something which is very shocking, not shocking, like it's very common nowadays. So there's a report which was found that a student actually caused most of the leak in this, right? So there's a lot of data breach leak going around in the schools, especially in the UK. So according to a research, according to investigation, it was found that a student was the main someone who is spreading the things, right? So there is a common mistake which includes sharing password or careless use of the devices, right? So this was the main reason which was found behind all those things. And basically school need to teach better online security habits as well, right? Because it was like it was said that if suppose if you're a student, I'm sharing something with you on, let's say there is some file sharing platform, there is some file sharing application via internet, right? Then it's not encrypted most of the time, right? So it get exposed to internet, and if you'll use some simple docs, then you may get all those things. By the way, I'm not going to teach something illegal. That's what we have. Next news is related to FBI. So guys, FBI shared some information. So FBI have released something which is very much important for everyone. So FBI have released the details how hackers attack Salesforce cloud services. So you know there was an attack on Salesforce last time, but they have released how Salesforce attack. This is actually company can use this information to detect and stop attacks. And like cloud services are right now advised to be secure as much as you can, because that is the primary target of the attackers right now. So just check it out, right? If you're using any of the cloud services, it's good to secure. Next news is related to something payment, right? So there is a payment system. There was a flaw in it which was allow users to add unlimited funds. Yes, you can see this is a kiosk machine, right? And Kiosksoft was notified about the CSNFC card vulnerability in 2023 and only recently claimed to release patch. So guys who have been used, there was a lot of fund might be used. So actually it took around 12 months to fix the problem, and this is delaying like put customers at risk, and there was a lot of fraud, there's a lot of theft was going around. So I recommend to have, like, if you have any payment related industry things, then make sure to have a good security team. Otherwise you can hire VIH support at vihgroup.com. Anyways, next news is related to INC. So guys, Panama Ministry of Economics and Finance was hacked, right? Panama, like last time there was Panama data leak where there's a lot of things was exposed on the internet. Right now there is someone exposed Panama yourself. So right. So Ministry of Economics and Finance was hacked. There's a sensitive data, there's a sensitive information, a lot were stolen actually. According to the logs, right, it was said to be, and like public sector organizations are right now primary target because they store a lot of things. They're getting from government, storing the server which is not secure, right? So that's what we have. Next news related to Apple, and this is something concerning good or bad. Just let me know in the comment box. So Apple sent a security alert to the users in France, right? If you're in France, then you might receive a security alert on your Mac and iPhones. So it was said that attacker might use spyware to monitor iPhone and iPad. That's true. It was actually found in the research. Their team had found something. And guys, users should check their security settings, update your device as soon as possible, right? Next news, Microsoft fixed 86 vulnerability. That's the biggest in this year, I guess so, right? If I'm not wrong. So this is something that we have 86 flaws. There was a dangerous one which was being exploited by the hackers. Till now, some vulnerability actually had remote access to the devices, and update your system as soon as possible because it was a kernel level things, right? Now next news is related to something good, bad. You might be getting a topic to do some sort of research. So there's a new AI tool which is called Vilazer. So that actually helps security team to find vulnerability. This is automated vulnerability tools, I guess, so using some APIs or something. So this is automated testing tool which will just put your less effort it, and that's what research. Let me know in the comment box if you feel it's good, right? If you want to learn about how the SOC work, how to safeguard a SOC center, how to safeguard a company, because there's a lot of job is in SOC, right? So you can check out this URL vihgroup.com/SOC to learn about some good desktops, right? The other contents, what are things you're going to learn. Now next news is again coming from Apple. So guys, certain confirm spyware attack. I told you already the news last time, so that's what we have again this time, and stay alert. That's what I can say. Next news is like related to Google. Google tries to, they have actually secretly started a campaign which was against new privacy law in California, and the law was passed anyway, right? And Google failed here. So there is a big tech company like this often resist regulation that limit data collection, right? So it was related to data collection, but Google was launched a campaign. Might be some ads which is popping up all there around on the internet in the California, but it was passed, right? So they can't do anything. So tip of the day, update your system, app, devices, whatever you're using, update yourself as well, because you need to learn this program and you can update yourself and this one as well. And strong password, extra layer application, MFA use, multi-factor authentication, and don't click on suspicious link and application. That's what we have. Thank you very much. If you want to listen VIH group song, you can go on studio, right? And you can play here. That's what we have. And if you feel this, if you have stayed till now, then comment in the comment box. I'll give you something for free, some courses free. So thank you very much for watching this video till last. Have a great day. Jai Hind.